Cypress Semiconductor's PSoC 62S2 Wi-Fi BT Pioneer Kit is a low-cost platform for developing wearables and IoT devices using the ultra-low-power PSoC 62 series MCU. The PSoC 62 MCU is a dual-core MCU featuring a 150 MHz ARM Cortex-M4 and a 100 MHz ARM Cortex-M0 Plus, with 2 MB of flash and 1 MB of SRAM. The MCU also offers CapSense touch sensing and programmable analog and digital peripherals for increased flexibility and faster time to market. The board also features a Murata Type 1 LV module based on a Cypress Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth combo device, supporting 802.11n Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. The board includes an onboard programmer debugger and is supported by the Modus toolbox. Additional onboard hardware includes multiple CapSense touch sensing elements and additional memories, including a Cypress 4 megabit QSPI FRAM, with Arduino Shield compatibility to easily expand hardware functionality.